Hi everybody, this is Mary from Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to show you how to do this fun little note card scene. What we're going to be using is we are going to be using the stamp set Snow Front. Bring this up. We are going to be using for ink Balmy Blue, Gray Granite, Soft Suede, Mossy Meadow, and Early Espresso. And I am going to be using just a very vanilla note card. And I don't know yet, I may do some puff painting on this one. But first of all, what I want to do is I'm going to take the mountain scene and I'm going to put that in the background because I want that as background. So I'm going to use Gray Granite for that. And I'm just going to, this is a great card, a man card, any type of card, any occasion card. Where's my, there it is. So just taking that off. Then I am going to put, where's the stamp set? I want to do the lake. So let me grab the lake or the pond or whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to stamp that in Balmy Blue. And you can stamp it in any blue you want, really. But I just think Balmy Blue. And I'm going to stamp it down here. Okay? And then, let's clean this off also. Oops, sorry. Then I am going to put some of the little, with Mossy Meadow, I'm going to put some of the little trees in the background around the pond. I think I can get one more in there. It's nice making scenes out of these. And then let's clean this off. And then what I want to do is with the Soft Suede, I am going to stamp the cabin on the other side of the lake. Okay? It's just going to sit there on the lake shore. Or looks like a puddle now. Now what I'm going to do is I want that in the forest so it's really hard to see. So with Early Espresso, I'm going to be stamping some trees. But we want the trees to look like they're fall trees so they have no leaves on them. So, and we want them different colors. So we're going to stamp some here. And then we're going to stamp some here in the background, and then maybe some over here in the background. And we're going to stamp some more because this is a forest. And we want it just so everything else is peeking out. So it's really hard to see that. Now if I wanted, I could done a little path up there, But let's show you how to highlight some of this. Now you can, all you have to do is just put your saying on the inside, whatever you want. You could put it on the top. But I want to put a little snow on the roof of this, right here. And maybe a little snow on the mountain, okay? And so I'm going to use my heat gun. Really got to clean that out today. So now I'd probably get itty bitty greetings and put a greeting on the inside. This is, again, this is a great man's card. So I wanted to say that please follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to make this is listed below. I really would appreciate it that you shop with me if you like my videos. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.